arranged marriage, who is going to bound you? You cannot leave the person.
When you will do a breakup, nobody knows. But when you divorce, everybody knows.
So,
Pursuing a course, you had got a syllabus. What you did. There are certain easy chapters and there are also certain difficult chapters. In arranged marriage, we first have to deal with the difficult chapter.
We are sitting and we are equal. Why are you saying that महिला की आवाज दबाई जा रही है?
you are only shouting.
Where you know that?
Welcome back, everybody, for this conferencing debate talking about love marriage and arranged marriage. We had an amazing session of conference and everybody discussed. Some of the people shared beautiful points about love marriage and arranged marriage, what to do in future. So now we are going to prove what actually is right for us. We do not have to talk just because of English speaking. We actually have to talk with the motive of making people aware, guys. So here I would like to welcome two speakers from the team of love marriage. Who will be coming? So here we have Muskan and Jagdeep. Please come to the stage.
Good morning, everybody. So today I'm in support of love marriages because I think everybody has freedom for that, and some things are not in our control, like choosing our parents, choosing our kids. But if we have this opportunity of choosing a person that we want to spend life with, what's wrong in that? And what's wrong in the love marriage? If you are sensible enough to make and take decisions for yourself, what's wrong in that? And one of the most important thing that I want to share about a love marriage is that in love marriage, mostly they meet each other when they are in schools, colleges, or in jobs. From that phase till the marriage, they share each and every moment of sadness, of happiness, of success, of failures. That sharing of moments for a long time actually helps them to build trust, understand people better, and accept the flaws that other person is having. And one of the most important thing is that it is not based on some materialistic benefit that a person is getting. If I love somebody and I have chosen him when he was in school, he was nothing, he was earning nothing, he was not someone, he was not a businessman, he was not an IAS officer. I came with him just because of that love and that vibe. That's why there is a very high possibility that I will be with him for lifelong. In arranged marriage, first of all, your parents decide. Okay, if you get the opportunity for deciding, you see that person is earning well, a person is looking well. Because of that materialistic things, you actually make your opinion that, yeah, he is looking good, he is earning money, so let me marry. Will it survive for long? Tell me. It will never survive because you have this foundation on something that is very materialistic, that is not oriented on vibes, on love, that feeling that you have. That's why I support love marriages.
I believe that you agree, guys.
They are meant to be like that. That's why they're sitting there. Na?
Who would like to make question, please? Yes. Anybody? Yes.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Ma'am, you already said about the you are loving with your partner.
No, I'm
that
not
means
loving.
okay.
You should
that
love, I'm saying.
You said about this. That means you are not you was not loving with your parents. You was
love your parents.
You are not. It means you are not loving your parents. You are
I
not
never said
loving
that
your
my parents are objecting.
okay. But you mentioned about you are loving with you falls with someone. That means I'm saying that you was not loving your parents, your mother, your fathers. You are not thinking about your family. Only you are thinking if someone is coming in my life for the 3 months, 5 months, and you are believing that you can.
Okay, you will not make your point clear by raising your voice.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am, but
But this is reality.
this is reality. And okay, ma'am, and you are favor of the love marriage. Firstly, I want to ask you a question. That which type?
You
Sir,
are
sir,
only manipulating
Okay,
and
okay,
saying
okay.
this
No,
and
no, sir, no, sir. I
I
have a
never
question,
said
sir.
that
Big
you
question,
should
sir.
do
Listen
love
to me,
marriage against
ma'am.
your
Please,
parents.
please, please listen to me. Which type of marriage your parents did? Love marriage or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage.
Arranged marriage. This is
Then why, हाँ, बोलो?
why did your parents arrange marriage? Why not
They
did?
were not giving opportunity to
Why opportunity not given? Why? Oh, okay.
that they were not giving the opportunity.
Okay, you in your family, you are seeing that your parents, your mother and your father is living with each other is harmony, and they are also respect to each other. And
They are doing.
but what
It
is the
could be
reason?
better-
Why are you?
It could be better if they have chosen somebody by their own choice.
Okay, but our wish is not. We know that our wish is like that. Never
If you
in
not
the-
dream,
and,
if you don't dream of
no,
living with the person
okay,
you love,
ma'am.
you will never be able.
Dream is another thing, and I wish.
Thank you very much.
You will
Only
first
one
imagine, then you will work for that.
Muskan, you're talking about the freedom, and there are so many freedom. You are talking about everyone have the freedom
Exactly.
to love someone, but there is a you also heard the nibba nibbi. You also heard about the students or the childs who do not have their own sensibility, who do not have their own sense of mind, but still they have their still they have their right to love someone, and they cross the age, but they don't have their sensibility, they don't have their maturity, and they love someone.
That is the fault of love marriage, or that is the fault of the person.
This is
That they are not mature
they have the right. They have the right to love someone, and they choose
First
to
of all,
elope.
I said in the starting only that you spend time with people when you are in school. Marriage is done at the age of 28, 29. That time you are mature enough to develop.
Oh, so for-
you will not stay in school forever. You will go outside, you will work, you will face challenges, then you will understand. If the person is not that much capable to be your partner, you will
So if we love someone, then we should have to decide that, oh, I am matured or not, I am capable or not. This
No,
is
for
the whole
marriage-
kind of thing we have to do. This type
for
of thing.
marriage you have to decide, not for love. I am talking about marriage, not love.
Arey, you are supporting love.
Don't say Arey, please. Come on. Any other question, please? Hurry up.
Ma'am, you told about if you are going to do love marriage, so first you will find and you will get the opportunity to build a trust. If you are going to build a trust and if you are going to take a time, you can also take a time in arranged marriage. Suppose you are in relationship, okay, and you could not find that compatibility. You will leave that person? Will you leave, no?
Yeah.
So we can also live in the arranged marriage. Who is going to bound you?
Okay.
Cannot leave the person.
When you will do a breakup, nobody knows. But when you divorce, everybody knows.
So ma'am, it means you are whatever you are doing just for society. What society will think?
No.
It means you are conservative minded.
No.
Sir, yes, she said no. Society will know. Society will know. We are not
said-
caring. Sir, what she said? Society will. Sir, what she said? Society will know if you are going to give a divorce.
You said
Why
it
we
is easy
need-
in both the cases. It is not the same thing,
Ma'am,
sir.
first listen. You said if you are going to give a divorce, society will know about you. You are a divorcee person. Why we need to care about society? Who said if we are going to do arranged marriage, it means we are not we are caring about society.
Okay, in arranged marriage you are doing for people only, yaar. In arranged
Who
marriage
told
do
you
for
we
people.
are doing?
If
Who
you
told
don't-
you? Who told? First of all,
So if you are doing by one, why you are saying it is arranged marriage? That is love marriage, bhai. That is love marriage, sir, ma'am.
And
you
who-
say that you are doing marriage not for the society, but you are doing arranged marriage. So you don't
Ma'am,
love, but you are doing that. is
according to
society
your
only.
definition,
But if you
according to
want
your definition,
if you
if
want
you
to
are
marry
doing
that same person, you are marrying willingly. That is not arranged marriage. That is love marriage only.
Ma'am, if your parent is arranged marriage, sir, I just want to explain my point. Yes, sir. Like, suppose there is one girl and who is going to marry arranged marriage. So, first her parent will look about that boy and the parent will not marry that girl tomorrow. And you are thinking like we are going to arrange marriage, we are not knowing anything. We are knowing everything about that person. But in love marriage, you are in blind love actually. You are not looking all things. You are just looking, I am in love and I am in.
First of all, ma'am, actually, I want to ask, what do you understand by arranged marriage? What do you think that arranged marriage is?
Marriage means when you don't decide for yourself, somebody else is deciding for you.
You are deciding for yourself. Who has said, look, who has said we are not deciding for ourselves? We are here on that.
Giving you option, then you are deciding, but you are not.
We are having, when we say that we are in an arranged marriage, what is better, the arranged marriage or a love marriage? In love marriage, you are solely responsible for your marriage because you are fallen in love with that person and you are responsible for his plus and minus points. है ना? But when you are talking about arranged marriage, you are also giving options. You are giving your choice. You are giving, say, okay, I am not pairing with that person. I will marry this person. So arranged marriage is only a marriage where the proposal came from your family to you and you are good enough to decide that, okay, I will do it or not. That is not anything forceful.
Okay.
And you know what? What you say love. Don't you think that there is love in arranged marriage?
I totally agree.
Don't you think that there is a respect in arranged marriage? So why arranged marriage is not good?
So when I am capable enough to feel for somebody without people giving me option, why should I rely for everybody to give me options? You sit down and just wait for your parents to give you career options that you should do this. If you don't know, you go, you search for the best career option and then go and then study and clear the exam. So in career, you are doing everything by your own. But in marriage, you are relying that somebody will come to you and just give you options and then you will go. Why not for marriage you are concerned about? Why you are not concerned about the marriage? If you are capable enough, you're wise enough to make decisions for yourself, when will you do it?
Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, in a love marriage, I am supporting love marriage. In a love marriage, I find our partner. But in arranged marriage, I find someone's partner. So before getting married, we understand each other. But on the other hand, if you are going to arrange marriage and you are suppose that you are a successful person, and you have on bungalow, you have on a car, so you are going to getting arranged marriage and your parents is saying my son has taken many types of degrees, he is very talented.
If your parents are making food, let's take an example. If your parents are making food for you, so what is mean? What is the meaning of that? You are disabled person? Are you disabled? I'll explain, sir.
Yeah, of course.
Are you disabled person? Ma'am, it is
When I
also
was
for
a
you.
child, so definitely my parents.
Suppose your parents is making, maybe it would be funny or not, I don't know. Just I want to know. Suppose your parents is making a food, okay? It means are you disabled? No, na? If our parents is giving up proposals, what does mean? We do not have a freedom. We have freedom, sir.
So
Like she said, we are willing, or we are capable. We are capable in arranged marriage also.
But you see, they provide you food. Because they think that it's not that you are trying
Because
to
of
say
their-
that
because
I
of parents'
said na
care.
that why should I am relying on my parents for proposal and all. Okay, so that's why. But I must tell you that you said na ki you don't cook.
You
Not
don't
because you are not capable of cooking. You cook because there is a bond between parents and child, and they want that I should eat and I should be healthy.
So because of your parents caring and because of your parents less, they are giving you offer, na? The intention.
When you will learn to cook, na, you will cook something
Ma'am,
different. You
the
will cook
parents'
as you
intention-
want to eat.
Ma'am,
You will
the-
learn cooking. You will cook something different. You will cook that you need for yourself.
what they want you to do.
Yeah, exactly.
You both have seen. Very nice.
I only want to say that arranged marriage is far better than love marriage. That's all.
So, ma'am, you are suppose that you are going to arrange marriage and you are getting married, okay? But your family is saying, I want some dowry system. Dowry. I want 10 lakh rupees from your family, and suppose that your family did not fulfill that desire. So, and your husband is beating you.
She understood.
So, what do you do? What in that time?
Dowry system in Arranged
If now I got I asked a dowry for my family, from my family.
you are asked, what if you are asked by the groom's family?
If I am in a marriage and then now they ask, okay. Look, there is a big difference between wanting help and dowry. That's a difference. If my husband asks, okay, Gunja, can you please arrange a sum of 5 lakhs? I have to start a business. Okay, that is fair enough. I can arrange that because that is not said to be a. Why you are correlating everything with dowry?
Exactly, very nice. Next person, please, question. Mike, please, come on.
Ma'am, if your parents don't have that much money,
My husband is sensible enough that he will not ask any sort of money then. If my parents and my brother is not capable enough, why he asks money from me? And everybody should be like that. If I am in an arranged marriage and it's a beautiful relationship, it's a very beautiful relationship.
Sir,
Yeah.
ma'am, I wanna ask one question. As you shared, help. You know, nowadays we are taking dowry, the name of help. That whatever you are giving for your daughter, not us. Sir, we are taking.
This is an act of begging. The dowry system is act of begging.
We are taking a dowry, the name of the help. That whatever you are giving your daughter, not for us. Sir, it is happening?
That can be happen in love marriage also, sir.
No? How can you say? No?
Yeah,
nobody
look,
can demand.
this situation, these type of situation
love
can
someone, how can you
look,
demand
when
that
you are
I
in
need a car?
look, sir, when you are bound in a relationship, any other party can do that. So that is not related to arranged marriage. Don't.
Truly, then I don't need car. Why I will ask for car? And because I need a person. I don't need a car. And
Who said that? Who said that? Why you are saying that in a love marriage you are not getting anything? You celebrate like, wow. In love marriage also.
We are taking dowry, the name of the help. It is happening, or it's dark reality. You can see.
Next question, please. Now.
People are taking bullet, bike on the name of dowry.
Sir, let me clear that arranged marriage doesn't mean that you are giving dowry. Even I'm not given any sort of dowry to my husband.
Is it help? Is it
Yeah,
help?
and in that, what good in arranged marriage? The compatibility alonging with the family. The family, if there is a compatibility between the family, that actually reflects in the relation of ours. That compatibility. Arranged marriage never means that.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have seen many in village. They didn't marry. Until they didn't marry until they did not get bike and all.
So don't marry.
Why?
So that is not guarantee. They give you no guarantee that if they are asking for bike, they will ask for something else after 2 years. So that's the mentality of a person. Look what.
Sir, ma'am, why we have seen so many domestic violence type of cases in an arranged marriage and not in a love marriage?
Domestic violence, what? The physical violence, physical assaultion, or mental assault?
Physical, mental, both.
Both. Okay, I will tell you. And that is only my opinion regarding. I am totally not in support of physical violence and all. But when you are having mental pressure you have most in arranged marriage. Why so? I will tell you. Look, when you are pursuing a course, you had got a syllabus. What you did. There are certain easy chapters and there are also certain difficult chapters. In arranged marriage, we first have to deal with the difficult chapter. Not the easy one, but in love marriage, we first deal with the easy chapters, and when we come into marriage, we deals with the difficult one. And then what happened? And then what happened? The fairy tale becomes the worst one. In love marriage. That's why the divorce rate here in India increases day by day because of that love marriage situations. In arranged marriage, what happens? We first deal with the nature of the person, the difficult aspect of that person, the difficult situation of that person. And if we survive in that, the life becomes so good that you can't understand. Because first we deal with the worst thing, and the easy things and the good things are there.
We are proud of Gunja, ma'am. Yes, very nice.
She said that in arranged marriage, first we have difficult chapters, then we have good chapters. In love marriage, first we have good chapters, then we have. But when we choose what book we have to read, every chapter is same for us. We will enjoy every chapter.
Madam,
We will never feel that it is a difficult chapter because we chose for
let me
ourselves.
make you understand.
Every chapter is
Let me make you understand. There's a big difference between arranged marriage and a forced marriage. I am not in favor of forced marriage. I am not ever in favor of forced marriage. Look, I am not in favor of being forced in marriage. If I am willingly want to marry that person, look, if I fall in love with my husband, that is true before marriage. When my Roka held, I saw my husband only one time. And after my Roka to my marriage, there is a period of 6 months. And that was the most beautiful period of my life. Because I know that person, I know the positive aspect, but after marriage, I also know the negative aspect. That's what I'm saying, na, ki after marriage, you only get what? The difficult chapters. You only saw the difficult chapters. But your family, because it's an arranged marriage, your family is there to support you mentally. They were there with you. If you are not having a good conversation with your husband, then you are having a conversation with the other family members also. That will make your day. That will make your day. But in love marriage, you are solely depend on one person, and that's the bad thing.
That's how we take risk in life. That's how we take risk in life, and that's how we learn. Then we should not decide our careers also, because there is a lot of risk. If it doesn't work, then what? You know, you said na, you are solely dependent on one person when you do love marriage, because your family is not supporting. They are not supporting. So this is valid in everything. You have to take many decisions in life. You have to choose your career also. You have to choose you have to choose that in what school you will send your children also. So each and every time you will be like,
I'm saying that
you will expect that everybody should come and support you, because there is a lot of risk if you are just relying on one thing.
If you are solely depend on one person, the risk is greater. If you depend on only one person along with his family, your risk can be lesser.
And nobody grows without taking risk. Thank you so much.
Good morning. I am supporting arrangement marriage because arranged marriage is good. Parents find two different variety, boys and girls. Yes, sir. And you depend all in one boy, one girl, one person. It is not good. And arranged marriage, parents search and your society, your future, and your I think where you and where do you work, and your behavior, your friend asked, all things asked your parent, and arranged marriage relation rista in I think 1 year, 2 year stay. It is not an arranged marriage allowed to meet both. We can meet both because of yes, we can meet and we can like each other. Then he will marry, then she will marry. Yes. And if you do marry love marriage, that's why I think future will be happen in your you'll be accident. Your parents, what will you do? Your parents will be accident. What will you do? Your parents do not do work. What will you do?
Will be there to take care of your parents.
Babies and pregnancy, all things. Who will take responsibility?
Thank you very much. Please have a seat.
Being a girl, if someone touch me, how bad concession come in heart, how terrible concession come, that then same way, if you don't know that person and you are sent to married and you are married for whole life,
How will you live? Yes.
How will
Yeah,
you
of course
live?
I have points, sir. Where you there is only one person to have to marry with one.
you don't know that what kind of person, maybe that person is drinking, and after when you got arranged
And
marriage,
also love marriage, there are so many lovers are drinking and
but-
only smoking. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And let let me complete, ma'am. Okay.
Sir, in that case, I will be able to know that person. I will leave that person.
Okay,
Till
ma'am.
marriage.
Okay, but let me complete. Then you will ask any points. Okay. It happened both in arranged marriage and love marriage. Because you are falling in love marriage before 5 months, and you are seeing only one-sided. Yeah, because you are seeing that my boyfriend is coming with bike, and it may he have no bikes, KTM, no high KTM cars, bus like that, and you are showing only
in
one
true
face.
love-
And okay.
Sir.
That bike. Also, and also there is one friend who gives me for meeting any girlfriend, and you are not seeing only you are seeing my own faces, and I am smoking and I am drinking so many like brandy.
Sir, that is
Ma'am, this is a personal thing.
that
It
is
will happen both
attraction.
in.
That is all of attraction. That is not related to love. Love is just something else. When you love someone, you have
Yeah.
loyalty. Then only you have the guts to marry that person.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, let me complete. But you know that I mean you have no. I think you are don't know about the reality of the love. Love is also with our friend, with our parent, with our family. But you are loving only someone special. My boyfriend. Where boyfriend is everything. Where boyfriend is everything. Nothing about your family. Nothing about your brother, your sister. Only nothing about mother. And only a special man who came in her life, and he becomes more special in that the family and yeah.
Sir,
So I think one person is not able to live for well-being life in.
I respect my parents.
Okay, ma'am.
And
so
I
that's
don't-
why are you doing this type of behaving like that?
But
If you are respecting,
let me
then
complete.
okay,
Let me
ma'am.
complete.
I'm waiting. I'm
I
waiting.
respect my parents and I love my parents.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
know that what they will do is best for me. But what happened that if they marry me, marry me, and someone arrange marriage, if he exfoliate me, he beats me, he abuses me, he harass me, at that time their parents don't do anything.
Oh, okay. Let me complete. If
But
okay.
in
I already mentioned that it will happen. It will happen in
in period of time.
Okay,
Let me
okay.
see. In period of time when I'm in relationship with that person, I will know that person what kind of person he
Oh,
is.
maybe the only 5 months she know everything. He know everything. I already said about the.
How can you see
Okay,
that
okay,
it's
ma'am.
5
Let me
month
complete.
relationship?
Let
How
me.
can you say this? Sir,
I have to speak. And firstly, you listen.
सर महिला की आवाज दबाई जा रही है यहाँ पे.
Where we are sitting and we are equal. Why are you saying that mahila की आवाज दबाई जा रही है?
You are only shouting.
Where you know that there is a law there. You are sitting beside
You
me
are
in
only
the same level,
shouting.
and you are saying that महिला की आवाज दबाई जा रही है. What are you want to
You
prove
are
that?
only shouting. You have only shouting. You don't have.
No,
points.
ma'am. I'm not shouting, but.
Tell me one reason that arranged marriage is good. Tell me one reason only.
There are so many reasons.
I know, one you tell me, one reason.
If your family, your parents is supporting with you and stand by each and every matters. If your family is supporting with you,
Yes.
then everything is okay. And you are loving and you are living with your boyfriend and you are thinking that my boyfriend is everything. Then your life will be ruined. Your life will be ruined. You know that.
Sir,
you know that.
listen to me now. Listen to me.
I also mentioned that from the birth. You know that. We know. Oh, sir, why are you? Okay.
Sir, love marriage is not that if I'm not stable, if I'm stable, my partner is stable, we both can go with our parents, and with parents' consent we can get married at that time, and at that time they will take the responsibility of us. that we have consulted without our parents, we will not get married. If my parents will deny, okay, I will not do marriage. But if my parents is saying that at that time I will do marriage, it depends upon me.
Okay. Let me come. Sir. No, sir. I'm listening. So please. I'm saying that. So please let your sentence complete. Then I will ask.
Yes, I have completed my sentence. I have said that
Then she is completed.
if I am stable,
Yeah, okay, I'm respecting, sir. She is my sister. Yes, sir. If, ma'am, you know that there is also option in arranged marriage. But you don't know what is arranged marriage. Only you are thinking that there is one person who came and you have to marry with him. You have to marry. But
Basically-
if your family is supporting and everything is done by the rituals, you know that we are living in the village, your society, your community, but you don't go against our society.
who is saying that I am going against the society?
Your words, your also your.
Listen to me first of all.
Okay.
I am stable. My partner is stable. We both have educated. We are well educated. We are well settled. We are well educated, success. At that time, with rituals and with.
Okay. I have last question, sir, please. She mentioned about the well-educated and we are successful. You know that, sir? It will take. This is life, ma'am, and it will take a long time to build successful in our life. And if you are betting,
सर आसानी से कुछ नहीं मिलता है.
I am like a gawar and a kuwara like that, and I have no money in my pockets, and even my girlfriend is not asking who are you, and he is saying you will go hell. My girlfriend is saying that because I have money.
Sir, because of this, you will have.
Okay, ma'am, but it will take time. Okay, speak.
Because you आसानी से तो कुछ होता नहीं है.
Okay, ma'am.
And this is only opportunity. You will get an opportunity to fight against that. That if you fighting doesn't mean that war is happening. If you don't give it by mouth, give it by your hard work, your consistency. When you are standing in highest position, no one will see your caste, no one will see nothing. Just get married. We don't have any problem.
Okay.
Have you seen any celebrities and big people? They never see the caste. Even they are marrying in against the religion. Because they are successful today.
Okay, ma'am. You saw.
And
Okay. Let me complete. May I speak?
yeah, of course.
You saw there are so many cases like who are successful in their life. Like that. Okay. Please, sir. Like Tina Dabi, they are.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My shari is there. My shari, you can say quotation. Yes. हर रात याद आता है एक नाम, यानी हर रात याद आता है एक नाम, कभी सुबह तो कभी शाम. हर रात याद आता है एक नाम, कभी सुबह तो कभी शाम. फिर सोचते हैं कि कर ले दूसरी मोहब्बत. फिर सोचते हैं कि कर ले दूसरी मोहब्बत. फिर पहली मोहब्बत का अंजाम याद आता है.
Gift for you. Please stand up. Gift for you.
Yes.
Gift. Please.
Like this. Continue. Have you listened what I said?
Yes.
We can again say, sir.
No, we haven't understood that.
Understood?
Yes.
Sir,
Now, any problem with love marriage, please?
marriage, please. Why will you select love marriage? No problem. My question is that why will you select love marriage? You love marriage. Do you know? You maybe have listened about the person. What happened? One person lives Bangladesh, and one person lives in India. But
the man of age 55 and the girls age of 22. But he is get married together. After that, he will what will be happy, because the age of girls 22 and the man age of 55. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. It is possible in arranged marriage.
Sir, it is love marriage.
Yeah.
No, sir.
It is arranged marriage.
No, sir. It is love marriage. He is loving
He
wife.
can't fall in love, man.
No. No, sir.
I think he has done that.
Yes.
Have you done it?
1 minute. It was using mobile phone. After that, he taking a phone number. After that, he called her, and he is loving. He start loving. It is arranged marriage. It is love marriage. Yes. You are using WhatsApp, Facebook. After that, you are taking a number. So it is arranged marriage. How can it is possible that? Yes. My question is that you are using mobile. After that, you will take by one number by Facebook, and you try to convey her and express her. So how will you handle me?